Hey guys, here with another video box break recap. This is 2009 Topps Magic Football. This is one complete box. I got 4 autographs in this box: Leonard Pope and John Carlson, and Adrian Arrington and Eddie Royal. These are a few of the short printed cards I got. These are all mini cards with some blacks mixed in there. These are a few more insert cards right there. These are all the rookie cards I got. Quite a few of them in a box. And then these are all the base cards I got. It's a pretty nice product. I like the design of the cards and the college uniforms. Autographs could have been better, but it's a pretty large checklist, so just gotta live with it. Thanks for looking.